Hi everyone, today I'm going to be talking to you about Ally Financial and more specifically how you can order checks. So before we get started, just a little bit of background on what a check is. A check is a physical piece of paper that's linked to your bank account. You can use this to pay someone or a company, and the way that it works is you write the check and then the person that you're paying deposits the check. Once they've done that, the money will be taken out of your account and then deposited into theirs. So now that we have kind of an understanding of what checks are and how they're used, I'm going to be showing you 3 ways that you can order them. Before we get started, you will need to have a copy of a voided check or something else that has your bank account and routing numbers on them. First, you're going to open your browser on your phone and type in the bank web address. You can use Chrome, Firefox, Safari, any browser, whatever browser you normally use will work just fine. I'm going to be using Safari in this video. As you can see, I'm already on the website for Ally Financial, and you can see the link on the top of the screen, ally.com. You can also check out the description for the link to Ally Financial. So the first way to order checks is going to be to log into your Ally Financial bank account online. You're going to look for the login button, which is on the top right hand corner of the screen, and click on that. That's going to give you the option to select your account, which would be your checking account, and enter your username and password. If you're not enrolled yet and so you don't have a username and password, you can click right at the bottom, enroll in auto or bank. You're going to select bank online services and then follow the steps on the screen to complete the enrollment process. Once you're in, you're going to want to click on banking options and order checks online if available. Usually check banks do charge a fee for checks, and it's normally a set price, but be sure to look for any banking promos that include free checks if you have a certain type of account. The second way that you can order checks is going to be by calling the customer service number for Ally Financial. You should be able to locate this number on the back of your debit card, and you can also usually find the phone number on the website for Ally Financial by looking for a Contact Us page. Sometimes that can be a bit tricky to find. If you happen to know of another way that you can find the customer service phone number, please be sure to let me know in the comments. I do want to let you know that sometimes there will be an additional fee to use this service to order your checks for Ally, and that's something that the customer service representative will be able to lay out for you when you call them. The third and final way to order checks is going to be through a third-party vendor. To do this, simply go to google.com and do a search for order replacement checks for Ally Financial. I've already got this tab up and I've already typed in the search bar to order replacement checks for Ally Financial. Here, it's just going to come up with a bunch of different websites that you can order your checks through. Checks Unlimited, Bradford Exchange Checks, all very good websites and pretty popular websites to order checks from. Do be aware though that the security features and prices to order checks online from these third-party vendors will vary. And so if you happen to know of any other good, reputable third-party vendors to order replacement checks for Ally Financial from, be sure to let me know in the comments. Ordering checks from a third-party vendor is also where your voided check copy will come in handy, because you'll need to have your exact Ally Financial bank account and routing numbers. Unlike when you order from the Ally Financial website or through the customer service number, those numbers will not automatically be loaded, so you will have to provide those yourself. So those are the 3 ways that you can order checks. I hope that you found this useful, and please make sure to check out the description for more information on Ally Financial.